Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show how to make a basic calculator app using MIT App Inventor. So let us begin it without any late. This is the basic calculator app which I had built using MIT App Inventor. Now I am going to show its functionality by using some numbers, say suppose 2 and 6. Now I will try to add them. Now try to subtract them, but by increasing the first number. Now let's subtract them. Now we can multiply the same numbers, and now I'll try to divide them, and I can also check the power of it by using the last button. Now I'll change the value 1 and keep 4 and check with all the operations: plus, minus, multiplication, division, and power. Now, as we know the output, let us start building it without any late. This is my MIT dashboard. Now I am going to start a new project. Give it a name. Now the project is being created. Yeah. Now firstly, we need to import two text boxes to take the input and set both of them to numbers only, and give them a hint value 1 and value 2. Now take a horizontal arrangement layout, make it width fill parent, height automatic, align it in center, go to user interface, bring 5 buttons, and change the background to white, make them font bold, change the font size to 20, and make the text to plus. For the second one, do the same, but make the text minus. Do the same for third one, but the text should be multiplication. Now bring in two more buttons. Now bring in two more buttons. For division and power. After this, import a vertical arrangement layout. make its height fill parent, width fill parent, and after this bring in a label, go to the vertical arrangement, make it center and top, go to the label, make it its font size to 40, make the font bold, let's make it 30, it's very huge, none background color, write its text as result, make it text color light gray, make the vertical arrangement background color to dark gray. Now import an horizontal arrangement layout, make it its height fill parent, width fill parent. Now let's make it center and center. Now import another label, make its size 20, make the font bold. Go to the horizontal arrangement, make its background color to cyan. Now after this, bring another horizontal arrangement layout, keep it under the first horizontal arrangement layout and make its height automatic, width fill parent and make it align center, make its background color none. Now go to user interface and bring a label and drop it in the second horizontal arrangement. Go to the label, make font bold and text color to light gray, give it a text, your name. You can even change the font size if you feel it is very small, say suppose 20. Now it's perfect. Our component layer is set. We can even add a background color if you want. It's totally optional. If you want, we can add orange color. Orange is a great background color. And if you want to set it in other styles, you can use the function theme over here in the screen. Now I'm using classic function. You can even use the black title text, which would be like this, or else you can even use the tribe as default, which would look like this. It's totally optional. And you can even change the title from screen 1 to calculator. And you can see that instead of screen 1 we are seeing calculator. For now, let's go with the theme classic. Now let's go to the code. So first go to button 1, bring when button 1 click do. Now go to label 2 and get a command called set label to text to this one and keep it here. Now go to math and bring the plus operator. As button 1 is used to add, we are bringing plus operator. Now go to text box 1 and find a command called get text box 1 text here, and then do the same thing to text box 2, text box 2 to text. So it says that Whenever you click button 1, it asks the computer to set the text of label 2 to the sum of text box 1's text and the sum text box 2's text. Now duplicate the whole block, change button 1 to button 2 and text box 1 and text box 2. You bring instead of plus operator, now use a minus operator. Now you can again duplicate this button 3. Now instead of minus, use multiplication. Duplicate this for a division code. And lastly, duplicate one last time to give the code for power. Now our code is completed. Now let's check the output. To check the output, go to the option connect over here and AI companion, and then you will get a barcode which is to be scanned by a special app called MIT AI2 companion, which I talked about in my last video about how to download it and how to use it. Now I'm going to directly use it and show you the output. Now currently I am in MIT AI2 companion. To scan the barcode which is shown on your laptop or PC, use the scan QR code option. Now wait a few seconds while the program loads. And then you can get your application. Now you can test it by using random numbers and operate them with all the buttons. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.